What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023-2024 GMC Canyon remote key fob here. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If we look on the left side of the remote, there's a button. Go and push it with your thumb and pull the emergency key out. Now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to take off the back panel of the remote here, the part that says GMC. If we look at the bottom, there's a nice little slot for us to use with our screwdriver. We're just gonna pop it open like that, and we'll just take it off, and there's our battery. Okay, sometimes these green seals will fall off, so watch out. All we gotta do is use our flathead screwdriver and pry the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR2450. Okay, hope you can see that. If you need one of these, I'll have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up for like $2. So check that out if you need it. Positive sign facing out towards us. We put it in the bottom of the remote first, slide it in like this. Click it on in there, get the bottom to the back half of the remote. Start at the top, work our way down. And then get the emergency key, snap it in. Okay, snaps in, good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. And I hope to see you again in another GMC video.